Hiya everyone, my name is Jenna Hacking and I am a hair and makeup artist in the northwest of England. I am a hairdresser that has been hairdressing for 19 years, so I do that mobile in the towns where I live, and I also do hair and makeup for TV. These programmes range from BT Sport, BBC Sport, CBBC. I've also worked in film. I've also worked in the fashion industry doing makeup for New York Fashion Week, London Fashion Week and campaigns for other fashion brands and things like that. I've been asked to send a quick message just to give you some tips and advice whilst we are currently all in isolation, which I'm fine to do that. I got into the industry whilst I was at uni. I was really lucky that I could get in whilst I was at uni. I tried to network everywhere that I go, so I did network while I was there, and I did network with photographers also whilst I was at college. I feel like if you want to better yourself, even when you're a student, then always network with people that are higher than yourself in the career that you're aiming for, whether it's hairdressing, beauty therapy, makeup or other similar industries. I want to give you some tips and advice for things that you could possibly be doing whilst we are all in isolation. And I know that you're probably all feeling a bit down in the dumps, or the total opposite and really happy that you don't have to go to college at the moment. But you really can use this time to upskill and do things that will benefit you in the future when we all get back to work. Some of these things could be upskilling, so there's a lot of free online courses at the moment. If you go onto Google you'll find plenty out there. There's a lot of beauty professionals and hair professionals at the moment that are also offering free videos or tutorials. I don't know if you follow any of these on Facebook at the moment, but there's Modern Salon and Behind the Chair. Now they're focused at hairdressing, but they are currently just pumping out loads of free videos and tutorials, so they might be of use for you. Other things that you could be doing is just practicing the skills that you've already learned. Don't think just because you've spent a couple of months or 12 months learning something that you've mastered that skill yet. Practice on your family or anyone that you live at home with. This time is quite precious in a sense that once we go back to our normal day-to-day lives, then you won't have time to practice like you do now. So please try and do this while you can, especially upskilling. If you don't know where to look, then just go onto your Facebook and just post a status and just say, anybody know there's any free online courses going, and people will post and tell you where they are, like I did myself yesterday. Open Learning is a good one. They're doing courses for business, nutrition, health, network marketing, lots of courses available to you, so please use this time wisely. If you've got any questions that you want to ask me, whether it's about the course that you're doing at the moment, if there's anything you're struggling with, if you want other tips on networking, then please do ask away. My Instagram is its_Jenna_Hacking, and I'm a teacher as well, so I know what it's like. I used to have 63 students and they used to be asking me questions all the time with me working in industry as well, so don't be afraid to ask.